Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm so happy to be back with another video. And today's video is gonna be a very different one from the other videos. And in this video I'm gonna make a jar of prayer. I'm gonna decorate this 2 bottle with whatever I have in the house, and I'm gonna decorate it and write my prayers and put it inside this jar. And I'm gonna make one for her and one for me, and she's my sister. She'll be joining me today. Say hi.
Hi.
Well, now to begin with, let me just show you the things that I'm gonna use. So yeah,
right now I don't have much things to decorate this, but there are some few things, so I just want to show you. I'm gonna use this colorful paper, arts and craft. Yeah, let me also show you this. These are some arts and craft that I made during my Montessori training. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this, and these are some piece of cloth, and this one a thread and a needle, some butterflies, sorry, and this is a scissor, and these are the 2 bottles, color and thermocol beads, and this button. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna use this or not, but since I have, I just took it out. So yeah, and this is a kind of thread that I'm gonna use to tie it over here. If it works or not, let's see. So guys, to begin with, I'm gonna decorate this bottle first. So for that, I'm gonna use this piece of cloth, which is blue in color. I'm gonna fold it in the middle like this, and then I'll stitch it in the middle so that I can do something like this. So yeah.
it here like this, so that I'm gonna put a ribbon here. Okay, so that's the reason why I have got the remaining ribbon here.
So for the ribbon, I am going to use this pink color cloth. It's a very sweet color, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut it in the middle here. And then fold it like before.
It seems like it's not possible, so I shouldn't be sad.
Now I'm going to decorate this one. So for this, I'm going to use this pink colored cloth and some thermocol beads. So I'm going to fold it in the middle like this. like before, so that I can do something like this.
So guys, it's done. Now I'm gonna do it like this and stitch it over here. So guys, I have put it like this. Now I'm gonna add some bits.
And I will also use this butterfly to put it here like this. So I'm gonna stitch it here. So guys, both these are done. I'm gonna add this thread here so that I can hang it somewhere.
So guys, this is the outcome. It's finally done. I'm gonna hang it like this and put my prayer here inside the bottle. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure that you give a like, and you can also make this kind of prayer jar. You know, it's a nice thing to do all this, right? So much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.